Welcome to a quick, straightforward guide on how to disable block unknown account messages on WhatsApp for PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to ensure messages from people you haven't saved don't get buried, this video will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version so you can access all the new privacy options. Once WhatsApp is open, look to the left side of the screen for the familiar menu. At the top of this menu, you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear to open the settings panel. The gear icon is the gateway to all your customization options, so take a moment to let it load if needed. Within the settings, you'll want to navigate to the privacy section. This is where WhatsApp groups your personal controls into one convenient place. In privacy, you'll find several options that affect who can contact you and how they appear in your chats. Look for the option labeled Block Unknown Account Messages. Now, you'll want to disable this feature. Turning off block unknown account messages means that messages from people who aren't in your contact list will no longer be automatically blocked. Instead, they'll come through like regular messages, which can be helpful if you're trying to connect with new people or verify legitimate contact requests. If you've had previous restrictions in place, you may notice a brief pause as the setting updates. Give WhatsApp a moment to apply the change so your inbox reflects the new rule immediately. As a quick tip, consider your privacy preferences before disabling this setting. If you often receive messages from unknown numbers, you might want to keep some level of filtering or adjust other privacy options such as who can see your profile photo or about information. You can return to the privacy section at any time to fine-tune these preferences. That's all there is to it. With these simple taps, you've enabled messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp for PC, making it easier to start conversations without delay. If you found this walkthrough helpful, like the video and share it with friends who might benefit. Leave a comment below with any other WhatsApp features you'd like explained, and I'll dive into them in a future guide.